Please subscribe to our channel. For latest updates, don't forget to press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to Piping Official. This video is about piping interview question and answers. I have already created video before piping interview question and answer, but these questions are very different from them. So let's start. What are instrument categories? General, flow, temperature, pressure, level, density, etc. Which instruments are handled by piping department? Flame arrestor and breath valve. What are the basic function of instruments? To sense, transmit, indicate, read and control. Why block valve is used at the roof of an instrument like pressure indicator? They are needed to isolate gauges for maintenance during plant operation and during hydrostatic testing of piping system. They are called root valve. Where diaphragm assembly is used? For corrosive, abrasive, viscous fluid, neutral fluid like glycol is used on instrument side of diaphragm. Where and why bleed valve is used in instruments? If the conveyed fluid is hazardous or under high pressure, a branch fitted with a bleed valve is inserted between the gauge and its isolating valve to relieve pressure and or drain the liquid before servicing the gauge. It can also be used to sample or for adding a comparison gauge. Why control valves are usually flanged? For ease of installation and removal during maintenance. Where ball control valve is used? Suitable where nature of fluid is slurry from or handling two-phase flow having particle in suspension. For non-critical and critical fluid having a fluid temperature to suit the soft seal material and where relatively low pressure drop is required across control valve. They have side mounted actuator. Where butterfly control valve is used for large size piping network handling clean fluid for low pressure drop across control valve and soft seated control valve. Metal seated valve used for higher temperature. How control block valve should be located? They should be as close to control valve as possible considering drain requirement and hand wheel clearance. At least one of the block valve should be placed in vertical so that spool can be removed, allowing the control valve to be removed. How TSO valve should be installed? Tight shut of TSO valve or reduced port valve control valve should be installed in vertical for gas service and horizontal OK for liquid service. How bypass valve in control station should be located? It is located near inlet branch point, not above control valve, with 200 mm clearance between actuator and valve. How control station should be supported? It should be supported such as control station piping is self-supporting even if the control valve is removed. Normally on exit side elbow of the bottom run of control valve. Why and where drain should be located in control valve assembly? Drain is used to drain the piping between two block valve on two sides of control valve before removing control valve for maintenance. It must be located at lowest point of bottom run. One drain is used to control valve is fail open and two drain used if control valve fails closed. As both sides are blocked, in this case, for one drain, it should be upstream side of control valve, where reducer shall be located in control valve assembly. As close as possible to control valve, preferably direct welded control valve flange. How breakup flange for control valve should be located? One vertical and one horizontal, which is achieved by having one block valve in vertical leg of control valve inlet. Do not place support on inlet elbow. What is piping and instrument scope of supply for orifice meter? Piping provide gasket and bolts and tapping from orifice plate to two block wall. Instrument provide orifice plate and flange assembly and connection downstream of block valves. What are the type of flow measuring device? Orifice plate, variable area flow meter, that is rotameter, magnetic flow meter, turbine flow meter, positive displacement meter. How orifice flange tap should be oriented? For liquid and steam, it should be horizontal or 45° down from horizontal on both sides. For gas and vapor line, it should be vertical or 45° to vertical on both sides. Taps are 0.5 inch. What are straight run requirement of orifice plate? Inlet straight run requirement can be 15D to 20D and outlet straight run requirement 5D minimum. It depends on piping configuration, that is ration of inside dia of orifice plate and pipe. It is to be confirmed with instrument engineer in instrument specification of project. What are straight run requirement for vortex meters? 5D upstream. Where restriction orifice plate are used for effective distribution of fluid in piping network. What are the type of level measurement? Direct and inferential. What are the direct method of level measurement? Gauge glass, reflex or transparent, calibrated tapes or dipstick placed in vessel and calibrate directly in level or volume. What are inferential method of level measurement? Hydrostatic head, buoyancy, conductance, radiation, float. What is hydrostatic head type of level transmitter? Installed directly on nozzle, use pressure sensing assembly to get the level. Diaphragm type are used for liquid with solid. What are pressure instruments used in chemical industries? Manometers, Bourdon tubes, bellows, and diaphragms. What are manometers? Single or U-type glass tube with mercury or other fluid. Inclined tube for very low pressure measurement used. That's it for today guys. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.